What's good, y'all? It's Ollie Marie and I'm who you want to see, and I'm back again with another video. This time we're doing a video on this look. We're doing a little tutorial on this so icy look. Yes, it came out so good, y'all. So if y'all want to see how I got this, it's super easy, super simple, then y'all go ahead and just keep watching. Alright, you guys, let's get started. So I've already primed, prepped, moisturized everything, so I just have a little lip gloss on my lips because we cannot have crusty lips. And then I primed with the Benefit Professional, and then I also primed with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Also went ahead and did my eyebrows. If y'all want to see how I did my eyebrows, y'all know I have an eyebrow tutorial. Just click the eye somewhere around here. We rolling. It's time to go ahead and get started. This look is real icy, real cute, real winter. So we in the winter months, and I just think it's perfect for winter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my MAC paint pot, and this is in the color Painterly. And then we are going to take a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe 173, and we're gonna go ahead and put this on the eyes. And the reason that I use this is because it's a nice light base. So we're doing lighter colors today, so we really want to make sure that they pop. Okay, we're going to be using 3 different palettes today. I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys. We're going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette. This is the mini version, and this is just how it looks. We got a whole rainbow in this bitch, y'all. So then we're going to be using one of my favorites, the So Jaded Kathleen Lights palette by ColourPop. And this is the inside. And mine's a little loved, y'all, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors. And then last but not least, we're going to be using an OG, the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. So if you guys don't have these on hand, you can of course improvise. Makeup is all about what you make it. Nothing has to be set in stone. Nothing has to be specific. It's all about what you make it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is set down our transition shade. And I'm going to go into the color My Precious right here. And it's just a really light base color, but we're just going to pat this down everywhere. After you look like this crazy, it's time to move on. So we're gonna make sure everything's blended, everything's nice in there. So we're going to go to a blender brush and going with the color Turquoise from this palette, which is right here. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this right above your crease, and you're gonna blend ever so lightly. Blue on. Ooh, you looking real blue, real oceany right now. This blue right here, right in the bottom, and it's kind of like a teal. I'm gonna take a pointed blending brush and go in with that teal color, and we're gonna put this right under that turquoise. Ooh, look at that blend, y'all. After that, I'm going to take a smaller brush, and this is the Morphe 321, and it's kind of like a little bullet brush, and I'm going to go into the Morphe times James Charles palette, and I'm going to go into this blue right here. Alright, and after that, I'm going to take an even smaller brush. This is considered like a little pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into that So Jaded palette, and I'm going to go into this navy blue color Sapphire right here at the bottom. I'll go right above the crease with this, and I'm going to create a line of demarcation where I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm putting this like kind of where I put that last color, if not a little bit above. Alright, and after we have gotten that line real dark and harsh, we're going to go in with the fluffy brush that we used in the beginning for this blue shade, and we're just going to blend everything out. After that is said and done, we're going to do my favorite part, which is cutting the crease. We're going to take this Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. The reason I'm using this is because it's super light. It's in the shade number 1. I'm going to take this, and what I like to do is Just pull it down right here, then look up, and it's gonna make your line where your crease should be. And I'm not doing a full cut crease, so I can just stop right there. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Both eyelids are cut. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into this white shade in the James Charles palette, and we're gonna pack that all over our lids, okay? All right, so now that that's packed on, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and close our open cut crease. So we're gonna take that fluffy brush we started off with, and we're gonna take the color we started off with, pack that in the corner, and don't be afraid to go over the white. It gives a nice gradient look, which I appreciate. And I'm just packing. If you see, I'm not rubbing because I don't want to rub off any of that concealer or that white eyeshadow that we put down, so I'm just packing it in my outer crease. I'm sorry if y'all hear the Jolly Green Giant up there. I don't know why or who that is, but they be stomping above me, like marching band type stomping. Like, I'm convinced that's what they in. I'm just taking some more of that white to kind of blend it in that blue, so it's not like a harsh line. But after you have packed that on, we're gonna go and get that pointed brush we had before, and we're gonna go into that color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna pack that into our outer V also. You only need a little of this. You don't want it to take away from the sapphire that we used. Okay. I'm gonna go back into that first fluffy brush with the first color we used and just blend everything out. It's time to add the glitter, so I'm so excited. So the first color we're gonna go into is this aquamarine, and it's this like light turquoise glitter color. And we're just gonna put this on the outer part of our eye, so where that color meets all the other colors we used. That's it, you guys. Don't go any further than that. So after that, we're gonna take this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pressed glitter. It's in the color Opal. So what I like to do is to go in with the NYX glitter glue or any glitter glue you may have, and I just lay the glue across my lid. Just a real light layer. And then what I do, I just press it in. So after that, I just dust off the excess on my lashes and stuff. So I'm gonna just do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back, and we did the little liner on the top, and it's looking bomb. We're looking good. So next thing I'm going to do is my eyeliner, my wing liner. So the wing liner that I'm using, NYX Professional, that's the point. So I'm about to go do that, and then I'll come back because I told y'all I can't really do it with y'all watching me, and then we can go ahead and start the fade. I'm gonna do my foundation now. This is the Anastasia Luminous Foundation, and this is in the color 450C. I'm gonna pump a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take that flat definer brush, the same one we just used, and I'm gonna go over my eyebrows. Alright, eyebrows are done. So after my eyebrows are officially done, I go in with this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. And y'all, your brows ain't going nowhere. I don't care who lick their finger and try to run it through. I don't care how much you sweat. I don't care where you been or what you do. Your brows are not coming off with this. They not. They just not. It's not. I just kind of pump a little bit, a couple dots on my face, like so. And then I'll go in with my brush. So this is just a fluffy brush. I use it for foundation sometimes. So after I put in my foundation with a brush, I go ahead and blend it in with a sponge just to soften things up a bit. and blend out any harsh lines. Alright. So after I finish my base, it's time for me to highlight and contour. You know, it's my favorite part. So I'm going with my ColourPop concealer. So I let this sit for a little while. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out with the blender. I'm taking this Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. This is like the lightest setting powder I have. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little second, and while that's sitting, I'm going to go in with my Lorac Pro palette to mix the medium and the dark shades. Now after that, I'm gonna go in with some of my Morphe setting spray just to get rid of some of the powdery look. We lick and smash, but we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. So the next thing we're going to do is finish up the eyes. So what we're gonna do for the eyes, we're going to take this smudger brush and we're just gonna smudge out that bottom line. So I'm gonna go in with this old Jaded palette first. And we're gonna go in with turquoise. Alright, so the bottom lash line is done. Next thing we are going to do is go in with some highlight on the face. And I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlight. Look how gorgeous this packaging is, y'all. It's in the color Snowflake. Alright, so we back and we got the lashes on. This is the Kiss lashes in the style Brazier. I don't know if it's meant to be like the bra or what's going on with that. They're real spiky, real cute. We have lined our waterline with this. It's called the Wonder Pencil by NYX in the color Light. And then we have done our lips with our infamous lip combo. You know, we got the Morphe lip gloss in Chill, the lipstick in Boo, and the lip liner in Trendsetter. We are done. We are giving chilly, ice cold vibes. I love it, y'all. I hope y'all love it too. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and stay tuned for another video next week. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie when I'm popping. I've been working, stock went up, check my price, then I tax my education. Now my fashion gonna cost